This is the Alverno Texas Instruments TI-36X Pro calculator tutorial. We're going to be focusing it on square roots. If you are interested in learning a bit more about general roots, third roots, fourth roots, etc., you'll want to see the video on general roots, which takes it a bit further than I will here. The buttons that I will be using include the numeric keypad right here. I will be using the Enter key as the equals key. I will be introducing the approximation key, which is right above the Enter key. I will be using the blue second key in the upper left-hand corner. Along with that, I'll be using the x squared, the exponent key, because above that you're going to see a blue square root symbol. We'll be accessing that using the x squared key. Okay, now that I've zoomed in a bit, I'd like to perform the square root of 16. Let's see, first we're going to turn the calculator on, lower left-hand corner, if you haven't seen that already. I'm going to type in the blue second key. Get my hand out of the way here. I've typed in the blue second key. Notice, by the way, that there's a small second symbol that just appeared above my blinking cursor. I wasn't sure if I had hit the second key strongly enough for it to actually register, so I could look on the calculator screen and see that it is there. Let's see here. I'm going to now type in the x squared key, and notice that your radical appears on the screen. I want to take the square root of 16, so of course I can simply type in 16 at this point. And I can hit Enter to get the exact answer. And notice you're left with 4. I'm going to clear the screen just so we have less busyness to look at here. The next calculation I'm going to perform is the square root of 32. So similarly to our last example, I'm going to hit the second key, the x squared key to access the square root. The radical appears on the screen. I'm going to type in 32, and again I'm going to hit Enter to get the exact answer. Notice again, this is the exact answer, not the decimal approximation. You may be more familiar with calculators that give you a decimal approximation. If you are not looking for an answer such as 4 square root of 2, you may now want to hit the approximation key, which is above the Enter key, and notice it's just one keystroke. That'll give you the decimal approximation. Okay. Let me clear the screen again, and let's try the square root of negative 4. So second, x squared key to access the blue square root function. I'm going to type in negative 4. Remember, your negative sign is down in the lower right-hand corner over here. And I'm going to get the exact answer again, so I'm going to hit Enter. Notice the calculator gives you a domain error. This is an indication that something that you typed into the calculator is problematic, that there's a problem with the information that you entered. I'm going to hit the clear button. Notice that we typed in the square root of negative 4. Think back to your mathematical experiences in your previous math classes. You can't take the square root of negative 4. You end up with an imaginary number. So the calculator is telling you here that there is no simple answer, so to speak, for this.